Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 2 best breakfasts to ease arthritis pain and reduce inflammation naturally. It's part of our ongoing series on natural remedies and healthy living, especially for seniors. But remember, age is just a number. These tips are great for anyone wanting to feel their best. So let's jump in. Starting your day with a nourishing breakfast can make all the difference, especially if you're dealing with arthritis. The right foods can help reduce inflammation, ease joint pain, and give you a boost of energy to tackle the day. We've put together 2 fantastic recipes that are not only delicious, but also packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients to keep your joints feeling great. Our first recipe is a delightful combination of warm oats, turmeric, ginger, and a touch of honey. Oats are a fantastic source of fiber and important vitamins and minerals like magnesium and zinc. They can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the joints. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate arthritis symptoms. Ginger, known for its soothing effects, can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. By combining these ingredients, you create a breakfast that not only tastes delicious, but also supports your overall health and well-being. Now let's move on to our second recipe, a refreshing chia seed pudding with mixed berries. Chia seeds are little nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, healthy fats, and protein. They're also rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, which can help support joint health and reduce inflammation. Mixed berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only delicious and high in fiber, but also contain antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and support heart health. Now that we've got our 2 recipes, let's discuss some additional tips for making the most out of these meals, especially for seniors. As we age, our nutritional needs change, and it's important to make adjustments to our diet accordingly. Getting enough protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength, which can help support mobility and reduce the risk of falls. Omega-3 fatty acids are also essential for reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. And don't forget about the importance of hydration. Staying hydrated is key to keeping your joints lubricated and reducing stiffness. We'd love to hear from you. What are your go-to anti-inflammatory foods? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.